Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use COROS Pace 3 GPS. To begin, power on your watch by pressing and holding the back button for a few seconds. Next, open the COROS app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your device. Once connected, complete your personal profile setup, including essential details like your height, weight, and age, to ensure accurate data tracking from the start. For optimal GPS accuracy, navigate to the activity settings and select the All Systems on mode. Before starting any outdoor activity, allow your watch a few minutes to acquire a strong satellite signal. Be aware that dense tree cover or tall buildings can sometimes impact signal strength, so try to find an open area for the best results during your runs or rides. When you're ready to track an activity, simply scroll through the main menu and choose your desired sport profile, such as run or bike. You can easily customize the data fields to display key metrics like your current pace, total distance, and heart rate. Don't forget to use the lap button to mark specific segments or intervals during your workout for detailed analysis later. After completing your workout, your COROS Pace 3 will automatically sync all your activity data to the COROS app on your phone. There, you can review detailed metrics including your elevation gain, average cadence, and overall training load. For broader analysis, you can also seamlessly export your activities to popular third-party platforms like Strava or Training Peaks, enhancing your training insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.